What's going on, guys? Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and I'm bringing you another PandaBuilt video in the PandaBuilt series. This time we got something a little bit different. We got this Kawasaki Teryx4. Our customer approached us wanting to add some off-road lighting to his Kawasaki Teryx4. We set him up with some powerful diode dynamics lighting to ensure that the fun didn't stop when the sun went down. Up front, we have 2 pairs of SS3s, white driving and yellow fog optics, along with some wide-angle SSC1 pods here at the ditch light position. We then installed a rough country 8-gain controller to make operating each light a breeze. So the lighting fun on this Teryx4 isn't just limited to the front of the vehicle. We also have this sweet chase light setup here on the back using Diode Dynamics SSC2 pods with the red backlight. So when the vehicle's headlights are on, you're gonna have this red illuminated backlight, basically serving as a third brake light. But at the flip of a switch, they turn from a backlit pod to a nice powerful spotlight. Diode Dynamics remains our #1 source for off-road lighting. Made right here in St. Louis, Missouri, Diode products provide unmatched performance and are backed by an excellent warranty. All right, guys, there we have it. Another custom lighting project finished by your guys over here at Panda Motorworks. If you guys like the video, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more content just like this, make sure you're subscribed. And if you got a comment for us, drop it below. Thanks for watching.